Hi guys, so we received this really nice ceiling fan with lights for viewing purposes. When we open the box, first thing we see is some manuals to control it, the instruction to assemble it, which I think that it's nice. This first side, we have the pieces that we're gonna need to install it, like the receiver, the canopy, okay, which I think that it's really nice. And here we have the remote control, and upon this side we have the fan blades, okay. That's it. They are reversible, so you can choose if you want a black side or a more wood-like design, which I think that it's really nice. In here we have the main unit motor, okay, and the LED lights, which I think that it's nice. We even got all the pieces that we're gonna use to do the wiring and everything, which I think that it's excellent, okay? So let's start assembling it up and test it out, okay? Come on. Okay guys, as you can see, the assembly process is actually really simple. It takes, well, less than 30 minutes and it's really simple. And I like it a lot because the fan blades are tilted at a 14 degrees angle, making it a high air volume moving fan blades, which I think that it's really nice. The LED lights are stepless dimmably and have 3 color temperatures, and the proper main unit motor is actually really silent, which I think that it's excellent, as it can be placed upon your bedroom, your dining room, even your living room, where you want to place it. I think that it's nice because it doesn't make that much sound. You can set the pipe that you want with the color temperatures adjustment, and it also has a natural wind function with a low, medium and high speed cycle, which I think that it's really nice. Okay guys, as you can see, it's already installed and I think that it looks amazing. It has a really nice and interesting minimalist design that I actually quite like a lot. We can turn it on with the remote control, which has every single button that we're gonna need to use it. We have 6 speeds. We can control the light independently, which I think that it's also like, also turn off the fan independently of the light, which I think that it's great. We can set it up like a natural wind light, which I think that it's really nice. And we also have an option so that when we press the buttons, it doesn't make any sound, which I think that it's also great. We can also dim the lights, which I think that it's a nice function. And we can also change the temperature between warmer, colder, or neutral, which I think it's really helpful. Sometimes you just want to have it like that, a little bit more cozy, and we can set it up from 2 up to 4 hours of continuous use, so it turns off automatically, which I also think that it's really helpful, okay? Overall, I think that it's nice. It doesn't make any sound, which I think that it's great. You could see that installation process was really easy, and it doesn't take that much long, and overall, I like it a lot, and I would really recommend it. See you guys!